Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Kids Tablet 7 inches, Carrvas K708. 16GB ROM tablet, 32GB extended memory. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The best present for children on birthdays, Christmas, and the coming Christmas season, so that children can have fun and parents are in peace. The Carrvas Toddler tablet has an integrated quad-core processor and the latest Android 10.0 operating system, a 7-inch HD screen large size, and a shock-resistant case. Android 10 is more powerful and energy-saving than Android 9 and lower. It's the perfect blend of power, portability, and performance, flawlessly running games and apps, and faster website loading times. Free thousands of apps. All you have to do is sign up to the Google Play Store and download free Android apps. These children's tablets can be used like regular tablets, but are better suited for children aged 2 and over. Take pictures, selfies, and videos with the 2-megapixel front camera and rear camera. The budding photographer can use the children's tablet to record or record interesting moments when they are with friends on a little adventure or exploring the outdoors. Encourage creativity by using the paint box to add more impact to the photos. The 7-inch Kids tablet features a 1024x600 IPS HD display that offers a bright display with vivid colors for a more realistic viewing experience from all angles. Worried about kids playing tablets for too long? You can limit the screen time in the parent mode. And activate the eye health function, which automatically adjusts and optimizes the backlight for a more comfortable reading experience at night. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.